If you've ever taken a yoga class, you've probably heard of the practice of working with a positive affirmation. Creating an affirmation and using that affirmation can be extremely confusing and unrewarding for many new meditators. What are affirmations? Affirmations are sentences we say to ourselves or others to create a conscious and subconscious mind that affects our behavior, thinking, habits, and environment. As we repeat these affirmations to ourselves, the ideas and images associated with those affirmations become imprinted in our conscious and subconscious minds. As a result, the affirmation alters our behavior, habits, actions, and reactions to match the affirmation. Here are some well-known affirmations. My past does not dictate my future. I have the power to make my own decisions. I have control over how I react to others. I am deserving of love. The advantages of meditation with affirmations. Affirmation meditation has a number of advantages for your body and mind. One benefit of meditating with affirmations is that they motivate you to achieve your goal. They motivate you because they give you a clear idea of what you want and allow your mind to stay focused on that goal. Another benefit of using affirmations to meditate is that they change the way you think and behave. The affirmations are not magical or powerful in and of themselves, but your recitation allows them to influence the way you think. As a result, you are more likely to take actions that lead to the achievement of your goal. Finally, meditating with affirmations makes you feel better. Saying nice things to yourself boosts your self-esteem, self-image, and outlook on world. You will feel more positive, energetic, and optimistic about yourself and your life as a result. How to create affirmations? If you've never meditated with an affirmation before, you might be wondering how to choose one. Affirmations are simple to create because you can find them on the internet or create your own by using your own feelings. You can find affirmation ideas online if you need references. Simply typing affirmation ideas into your search engine will yield a plethora of affirmations for you to try. You can even try to make your own affirmations if you want. It may feel awkward at first, but writing your own affirmations ensures that they correspond to what you want out of life and are tailored to your specific needs and desires. Begin by considering what you require in your life in order to create your own affirmations. You might want to try observation meditation to better understand how you feel and what you want out of life. You could also create a vision board. A vision board is a physical poster board, paper board, or Pinterest board that represents all of your future goals and wishes. You should focus your affirmations on mid to long-term goals. Monthly goals are ideal because they allow enough time for the affirmation to work while also being close enough to see a light at the end of the tunnel. Once you know where you are in life and what you want out of it, you can begin to create your own affirmations. You'll want the affirmations to be tailored to your specific requirements. For example, if you're having trouble making ends meet, your affirmation could be, I am smart and capable of providing for myself and my loved ones. This affirmation relates to the described scenario while putting a positive spin on it. You want your affirmation to be focused and not too wordy when you write it. The affirmation will be less effective if it is not focused because your mind will be clouded by its many parts. The same is true if the sentence is lengthy. It will be difficult to remember. Once you have your affirmations, you can begin to meditate on them. How to meditate with affirmations? It is relatively simple to meditate with affirmations. The important thing is to be consistent with your affirmations. Reciting your affirmations inconsistently will not produce the desired results. If you're new to affirmations, start by incorporating them into your daily routine. Affirmations should be said twice a day at the most. As soon as you wake up in the morning, say your first affirmation. Saying your first affirmation will start the day on the right foot and motivate you to complete your daily tasks. Many people find it difficult to remember to say their morning affirmation when they first begin. To remind yourself to say your affirmation, place a sticky note on your mirror or set your phone's alarm title as the affirmation. Your second affirmation should be said immediately before going to bed. Saying your affirmation before bedtime allows you to relax your mind, allowing you to sleep more soundly and have less disruptive dreams. Once you've gotten into the habit of saying your affirmations every morning and night, you should start incorporating intentional meditation affirmation practices into your daily routine. Begin with a 5-minute session. Throughout the session, repeat all of your affirmations at least 10 times in a slow, relaxed, and confident tone of voice. Try to imagine your affirmations coming true as you say them. This creates a mental image of how you want this affirmation to appear in practice. This will help you focus your mind and create focused images of your affirmations.